A pub in Sydney's southwest is under investigation after 2 COVID-19 cases were linked to the venue. A man in his 50s and a 30-year-old woman have tested positive to coronavirus after attending the Crossroads Hotel at Casula independently last week. New South Wales Health has ordered the hotel to close, and authorities are urging anyone who may have visited the venue to get tested immediately. This comes as the Golden Sheaf Hotel in the city's east was fined $5,500 for breaching social distancing rules.
We're just checking the documentation around the contacts, but I do believe in preliminary sense, I've been advised, I always like to double check this, and you can imagine that our focus today, was rapidly engaging with the hotel. We're very pleased that they've closing. We've got a pop-up clinic there at 5 p.m, so things have been moving quite quickly. But at this stage, I really appreciate the cooperation we've been getting from the pub.
Contact tracing is also underway after a man from Victoria tested positive to the virus. The man in his 20s towed his caravan into New South Wales from Melbourne. He had one passenger, but reportedly had minimal contact with others. The New South Wales Health Minister issued a strong message to all Victorians.
Your government has put in place some very strict guidelines and rules. It's not helpful for you to be out of that environment if you've been in that environment. So I would just stress that to you. As Health Minister, please go home as soon as is reasonably practicable. Go home. If you can, go home. Go back to Victoria and go back to your area and comply with your own government's laws.
Meanwhile, in Sydney's inner west, 77 coronavirus test swabs have gone missing. The samples were delivered to the Royal Prince Alfred Hospital but were not processed. Sydney Local Health District is asking people in Balmain and Rozelle to be retested.